Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn to take user input from the users and do some computations on it. Okay. So here I have my HTML, CSS and JavaScript files. I'll go inside this and I will open the HTML file. Let me minimize it and I will open the script file in Notepad. Okay, in Notepad. So I'm going to delete this for now. Okay, I'm going to delete this for now. All right. Now, let me say prompt. Okay, prompt. Prompt is what we use to take user inputs from users. All right. So here, let me show you how it works. I'll say enter the value of A. Okay, enter the value of A. So I'll save this. All right. And now when I go to HTML file and refresh it, you can see it gives me a prompt where it says enter the value of A. So whatever I had written here, enter the value of A, it is showing me here. And this is a prompt. This is a pop-up. This is a message to me. Okay. So I am supposed to enter the value of A. Alright. So let me enter a number 32. Okay. I'll click on OK. And nothing happens. That is because we have not written anything after this line. Alright. So now let us write something. So in the second line, let me say alert. Alright, alert. And let me say A is of type. A is of type. And let me give a space and then close it here. And then let me give plus and in the bracket type of A. Okay. Now see, we have written code to ask the value of A, correct? So whatever value we enter here, it will not be taken in the form of number itself. So whatever we enter, okay, 1, 2, 35, 43, 63, any number, whatever we enter, it will be taken as string. I told you this before itself. So whatever the user inputs, it will be taken as string. Alright. And I'm showing it to you. So I'm saying alert. You know what alert is. A is of type. A is of type. So this will be displayed as is. And this is string concatenation. Type of A. Okay. Type of A. So whatever value they enter, so the type of that will be shown here. Okay. So let me save it. And let me refresh it. And here it asks me to enter a value. I'll say 21. I'll click on OK. And here it says A is of type undefined. Now this is because I'm not storing the value of A anywhere. Correct? I'm not stored it anywhere. And that is why it is giving me this error. So let us store that. Alright. So I'll say let. Okay. Let A is equal to and then this. So basically what this means is alert the users by saying this. Alert using a prompt saying enter the value of A. And whatever they enter, store it in A. So that is what this line is. Okay, that is what this line means. So whatever value they enter, store it in the variable A. And then show the type of A. Okay. So now I'll save this first. I'll click on OK and I'll refresh here. So it asks me to enter the value of A. I'll say 34. I'll click on OK and you can see A is of type string. So even though I entered a number, it has taken it as a string. So you must remember that. Prompt takes user input of numbers as string. So you need to convert this into integer. Alright, you need to convert this into integer. So let us do that. So let me delete this. So this is not required now. So here I will say a, okay, a is equal to, and you know how to convert something to integer, correct? So I'll say number dot parse int, alright, parse int and a. So basically we are saying this a, take it here, convert it into integer and store it in a. Okay, so now let us check. Okay, now let us check. I should have copied it. Okay, a is of type space and plus type of a. Alright, so let me save it and now let me refresh it. So it asks me to enter a value. I'll enter 34 and now it has converted it into integer and then showing me this alert and says a is of type number. Okay, number. So okay, next what do we do with it? Let me delete this. I do not want this now. So what do we do with one number? Nothing, correct? So let us take one more number. So let me copy this entire thing and let me paste it here. So wherever I have b, so I'll wherever I have a, I'll change it to b. Okay, b. So b. All right. So let me save it, refresh it, enter the value of a 32, enter the value of b 45. Okay. What to do? So we'll do this. We'll say alert and we'll say a plus b. All right, a plus b. So let me save this and let me refresh it. Enter the value of a 32 and b 45 and I get 77 as result. Okay, and I have used alert to get back the result. Okay, so let me click on OK. So this is what you can do. You can also log this to the console. Alright, you can also log this to the console. So let me delete this and let me say console.log a plus b. Alright, a plus b. So let me save it and let me refresh it and it says 21 65 and now if I go to the console and in the console I have my result 86. Okay, 86. Okay, so this is how you can use the prompt. Okay, prompt to use to take input from users. All right, yes. So that is it for this video. Okay, that's it for this video and also this course. All right, so we have successfully completed this course on JavaScript for absolute beginners, and I hope that you have understood the lessons that I have taught you till now. But this is not the end. You need to excel at JavaScript, and for you to excel at JavaScript, here are the steps that you need to follow. You need to practice the basics. Okay, of course I have taught you the basics, but it is not enough. You need to have concrete understanding of the basics, and that comes by practice. And you need to watch JavaScript videos by other creators on YouTube. Okay, now this is because they would have taught you different topics and in different way. So some of you may like the way that they teach and may remember them properly when compared with mine. So you need to watch JavaScript videos by other creators and once again practice the things that they teach you. Okay, practicing is important. And finally, you need to do some projects. Only when you apply the knowledge of coding to build a project, you will understand the concept properly. If you just learn the concept and leave it is of no use. So go ahead and do all these things. If you are interested in other programming languages, I have made videos on other languages too. So you can go to my channel and check them out. Or else, this is the end, and I thank you for sticking with me till the end of this course. I hope you have a great time and succeed in your life. Thank you.